Good morning to day 4. Was not the greatest night's sleep. This bed, even though it looks like it might be useful, not super comfortable. Got my scrambled eggs and bacon ready. Got my coffee ready. Got my map out. So today we should be doing about 345 miles. Let me show you the route. We are here and just west of Salida. Go east, head up north here. This road here, which should be absolutely amazing. This is about the only time I'll be on a highway, a major highway, which will be I-70. Come across to, I believe it's Glenwood Springs. Head south. Hit some of these other really beautiful roads, amazing roads. Another red marked on this Butler maps, which red is the best. A little bit west over here to, I guess, Delta, Colorado, and then head south to Ouray, not sure, just a little bit south of Ouray. A couple sections should be absolutely amazing. Section from Delta a little bit south doesn't look super amazing. Looks like more like a mountain valley, but that should be pretty but not amazing. Highway 70 probably won't do a lot of filming there. Finish having my breakfast, get all packed up, and then we'll get on the road. Sasha's all packed up, ready to go. Got the route in my maps. It is about 50 degrees out here. Got my cold weather gear on. Let's get back on the road. Okay, stop for fuel and just had to shed the thermals that I put on this morning. When I left, it was about 50 degrees. It got down to a low of 48, but coming down out of the mountains here, I'll kind of coming into a little valley, big valley actually. It's high 80s, low 90s. Plus, not far back was sections of 35 and 40 miles an hour. I think the fastest I was able to get for a long bit there was 50 miles an hour, which just is baking with thermals on and 90 degree temperatures. So right now we've got about 73 miles left to go to our destination. Let's get back on the road. Made it to my campgrounds in Ouray, and look at this place. Isn't this, there's Sasha all ready for night. My little cabin. This is just stunning, just stunning. I just realized there was a problem with the SD card, and about half the day somehow got wiped off the card. There was a card error. I don't know what happened, so I apologize. A lot of early today is gone, so I'm gonna grab some lunch, put my stuff in, and I guess that's gonna be it for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Almost forgot to show you where I went on the map today. I'll show you from the start point all the way down what is it, I-70. It lost everything. The GoPro had a card error and it lost everything. I apologize for that, but started here just outside of Salida, went north. This road was absolutely beautiful. Sorry you can't see it. This is one of the red ones. It was fantastic. What was crazy is you get past White River, you get into this area here, and it was deep canyons, and it was 40 miles an hour, and it was just sheer rock walls on either side. Tunnels, all of that is gone. I apologize for that. Turned and went south, Glenwood Springs rather. This section was absolutely amazing. I think actually it lost everything down to maybe right in here. All this here. Where it picked up, I think, is kind of down in this valley. This got me concerned because this valley looked sort of desert, and it got to 95, as you can see in the video, or actually I think maybe the video starts right after I shed my inner liner. But then once you get here, oh my goodness, this is absolutely stunning through here. Okay, so total today of about 345 miles. I am sitting, so this is just outside of Ouray, by the way, sitting at 7,234 feet in elevation. All right, so that's going to be it for the evening. See you tomorrow.